What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna try to clean my engine bay. As you can see, it's pretty filthy. I've covered up the areas, the air filter, one fuse box, the other fuse box, battery, and I don't know, direct ignition thing, I don't know what you call it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to wash it today. Never done this before, so I have no idea what to do. But yeah, so stick around for that, I guess. First step, take cold degreaser. Yeah, and like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing, but spray it on somewhere. Look at how shiny the engine is now. I'm not too sure about this, but we'll see, I guess. Jag kan stänga av. Nej. Stäng av. Let it soak for 3 to 5 minutes or so, and then you just rinse it off with a hose. Ideally, you have to use a high pressure washer, but we don't have that, so just a regular hose. And you carefully rinse it off. And then you wait for everything to dry. I didn't do this like properly, or this is damaged, I think. I don't know, maybe it looks better. I have no idea, we'll see. Hopefully I haven't fried anything. Yeah, I can tell a little bit difference, but I need new plastics here. Yeah, next time I'm gonna leave this to someone that knows what they're doing. It looks a little bit better, I guess. Now you let everything dry and then you start and warm up the engine. Alright, moment of truth. So far so good. I'm actually quite nervous about this. Well, it started. Like I said, I'm gonna have to leave this to someone that knows what they're doing. It's a little bit better, but yeah. And I'm sorry that I've been like away or whatever. There will be videos. I actually was at a master meet, so yeah, I will show that. Ah, that squeal though. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.